Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from NIPCO, Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited. When you will go to the recruitment page of NIPCO, here you can see one update is there. Online application is active for the post of executive trainee civil. Yes, when you will click here, you can just download the detailed advertisement, and here when I'm just opening, okay, this in this case also you can see this is the detailed advertisement. So as I'm going to open here. So let's check it out. So first of all, this is the new 19th July 2024 today only. So NIPCO is a mini Ratna company and they are going to recruit for the post of executive trainee civil E2 grade. Okay, E2 grade post code is mentioned here. Now number of vacancies are in unreserved 25 for EWS 4 for PWBD 1. So total number of vacancies are 30 here. Upper age limit for the unreserved or EWS is 30 year. For PWBD it is 40 years. Okay. Now what is the essential qualification required? So for qualification BE Tech, okay, full-time bachelor degree in engineering or technology in civil engineering, because this vacancy is only for the civil. So with minimum 65% marks, and yes, they are going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2024 scorecard. And if you are looking for the pay scale, you can see the pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000 also. Okay. Now here with the for the normal this is 65% and for the EWBD category this is 55% marks. So candidate must have appeared and qualified in the GATE 2024 civil. That is the requirement, dear students. Now compensation and package, already I told you 50,000 to 1,60,000 is there. Okay, selected candidate will be placed in the IDA pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000 and his or her monthly emoluments will be 50,000 plus DA. Okay, so all these allowances you will get here. So this is a very good pay scale surely. Now when we are coming to the next is the placement. So selected candidates shall undergo 1 year training period at one or more locations of the corporation okay, and after that you will after successfully completion of training they will be placed in the E3 grade, dear students. Yes, relaxation and concessions is mentioned here, you can check it out. This is related to the age limit. Service agreement bond will be there. Yes, now this is the selection process. So selection process shall consist of first of all they will scrut you on the basis of your get scorecard, and then they will call you for the personal interview. So online application and online personal interview of shortlisted candidate is decided by the management. So here you can see, you can go on this website www.neepco.co.in and you can just check the career section. Okay, and then you will just get the details also. First of all, what is the important thing here? So basic qualification is for executive trainee is GATE 2024 scorecard. Okay, so you should have the GATE 2024 scorecard, and then depending on this scorecard they will just shortlist you, and then they will call you for the online interview only. Okay, so offer of appointment shall be issued to the suitable candidates in the order of merit. And I think this is clear about the interview. Okay, this the details mentioned about the interview. Candidates will be shortlisted for the personal interview in order of merit and may limit or extend the number of candidates. Shortlisting of candidates will be made on the based on the score of GATE 2024 in the civil, as I told you. Final merit panel of the selected candidates will be prepared based on the weightage of 80% of the GATE scorecard and 20% to the personal interview. Okay, G. Now this is very simple thing mentioned here. So in the personal interview shall consist of general knowledge, aptitude for the job, extracurricular activities, and yes, your professional specific knowledge also. How to apply, the details are mentioned here, dear students. You can just go through this one and you can apply online. Okay, so each and every detail are mentioned here, you can just apply. And okay, I think here it is mentioned about the fees also, which I missed to, yeah, here. So candidates belonging to general, EWS and OBC categories required to pay non-refundable application fees of rupees 560. Okay, SC, ST, PWD or ESM category or female candidates are exempted from the application fees also. Okay, so you can just follow these steps And one very important thing, that the online submission will start from the 19th July, means today only, and the last date will be 8th August, dear students. So before 8th August, you can just fill the form if you are just eligible in this one. So please check it out, each and every detail. And again, the last date is 8th August 2024. So dear students, for more details, you can check the official website also, and we will just mention this PDF in the description box also, so you will get to know. Dear students, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. If still you not subscribe our channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon, and stay connected for I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.